Happy New Year, everyone. This is Jamie French with Advent Partners. And as we sit here about a week into the new year, we've had a mixed bag of good and bad news from an economic or market perspective. So first of all, the good news from an economic perspective, last week, U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen came out and said that we had achieved a soft landing. And you might have heard that term before and not understood what it means, but in essence, it's a reduction from high inflation without actually experiencing a recession. And there was some good economic data that came out that led her to conclude that. In December, the U.S. added 216,000 jobs, which was about 41,000 more jobs than anticipated. Wages also rose more than anticipated, and unemployment held steady at 3.7%. Now, there are still people that are skeptical of the economy and think that a recession may still be on the horizon in the next 18 months, but we had some good economic news. So how did the markets respond? Well, by some measures, you could say that this is one of the worst starts to the year in history. The U.S. stock market, the international stock market, the bond market are all down over 1% here as we sit about a week into the year. Apple was downgraded by two research firms, which impacted its stock price and had a ripple effect in large company tech stocks. And so this, you know what, it's early. We expect volatility and we encourage you to stick to a disciplined strategy, and we'll see how things play out this year. It's also a good time of the year to revisit your own planning, particularly in the area of taxes and contributions. As we enter 2024, the contribution limits for 401ks and IRAs and Roth IRAs and health savings accounts and others have changed. So it's a good time to revisit that and make sure you're taking advantage of that fully. It's also a good time of the year. You have until the tax filing deadline to make contributions to IRAs or Roth IRAs if you haven't done that. So it's a good time to revisit that and see if that's a good move for you. If we can help you with any of that, reviewing your investment portfolio, adjusting to the current markets, thinking through your own cash flow needs and your contributions or distributions from your accounts, please let us know. We'd love to help you get off to a good start this year. Thanks and have a great day.